Is coming. So I guess we are live now. Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. So today we are going to do the banking and financial awareness charges for the month of June. So let's start the session with NABARD sanction rupees 1050 crores to the farmers and poor people of West Bengal, right? So let's start with this. See, NABARD gave a loan of 1000. Just a second. Yeah. So NABARD sanctioned a loan of 1050 crores to the farmers and the poor people of West Bengal, right? That's all about it. India's sovereign credit rating has been lowered by the Moody's, so India's rating is now Baa3. It used to be Baa2, so it has been lowered. Very bad. Let's move forward. Payment Infrastructure Development Fund, very important. Who set up the PIDF, right? The fund has been launched to give a boost to the digital payment and will give used to create and encourage acquirers to deploy POS. So for the POS infrastructure, this fund has actually started. And RBI contributed 50% of it. Okay, half of that money is contributed by RBI, 500 crore ka fund hai. So Indian economy is going to be contracted by 1.5% in financial year 21 as per Reserve Bank of India. Very important. NABARD provided 270 crore to AGVP Bank, Assam Grameen Vikas Bank, because due to the COVID there was lack of funding to them. New norm for loan sales and securitization. I'll be doing a in-depth session on this particular point in my course in the financial awareness, right? So मेरे को नहीं लगता, I don't think it can be done in such a small format. So this framework is about deals with various issues like asset classification, and there are proper norms for the securitization of asset. So I'll be doing an in-depth lecture in my course. So Indian economy is to be contracted by 3.2% as per the World Bank, okay. And West Bengal got 1950 crore loan from World Bank, okay. Indian economy to contract by 3.7% as per Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. RBI restricts the People's Cooperative Bank to grant fresh loans. So UP-based People's Cooperative Bank, now they cannot, give fresh loans due to the weak financial situations. So RBI sets a panel to review corporate structure. So to review the corporate structure of private bank, 5-member association, 5-member committee has been set up, and the head is Dr. Prasanna Kumar Mohanty. So an Exim Bank provides 250 million loan to Malawi government. A new framework for FMI and RPS has been set up. FMI, Financial Market Infrastructure, and RPS, Retail Payment System, new guidelines has been set up. I'll be doing an in-depth lecture about it. Insta Flexi Cash by ICICI Bank, very important. It's a sort of salary account. So please remember, Insta Flexi Cash by ICICI Bank, very important. Suraksha salary account for MSME by Airtel Payment Bank, very important again. With the help of this account, MSME and other organizations will be able to make cashless payments and provide financial security to employees. So Suraksha salary account for MSME by Airtel Payment Bank, Insta Flexi Cash by the ICICI. And SEBI proposes measures to strengthen the enforcement and recovery mechanism. So a committee formed, and the head is the former Supreme Court Judge Anil Dave. And new rules for the HFCs, Housing Finance Company, has been proposed. Housing loan must account to at least 50% of HFC asset, of at least 75% be towards individual housing loans. So HFCs, 50% of the loans should be towards the housing loans, right? Housing loan should be at least 50% of HFC's assets, out of which 75% should be to the individual housing loans. Saral Affordable Housing Scheme by ICICI Home Finance, very important again. The loan requires ownership of women in the rural areas from 3 lakh to 6 lakh. Maximum limit of loan is 35 lakh and interest rate start from 7.98%. SEBI to enhance the promoter's shareholding. So SEBI has amended the regulation And as per this amendment, promoter who are owning 25% or more share in the voting right in a company can increase their shareholding up to 10% in a year. Earlier 5% was allowed. Okay. So RBI extended 50% liquidity window by 3 months to the Yes Bank. So it has been further extended by 3 months for the Yes Bank. The liquidity of rupees 50,000 that was provided by RBI to the Yes Bank, it has been extended. KBL Micro Mitra for MSMEs by Karnataka Bank. So a new financial support by the Karnataka Bank for the MSMEs. So a very important line. Support of up to 10 lakh to the micro manufacturing service enterprises as a working capital would be provided. So global macro outlook 2020-2021 released by Moody's Investor Services. Okay. As per this report, India's GDP to shrink at 3.1% for the financial year 2020. Okay. All cooperative bank under the RBI supervision, very, very important. That's today's point. Okay. Sorry for that. All cooperative banks would be under the RBI's supervision. So world first gold-backed digital gold currency launched in India, IBMC, very important. IBMC Financial Professional Group, they launched it, and it has been launched in India as well, right? So very, very important. Who launched it? That's also very important. It is backed by it is backed by the US gold digital currency is backed by US American legal 1 ounce gold coin. Okay. Introduction of new floating rate saving bond 7.75%. So it is this floating rate, I think it's not mentioned. The interest is to be paid a half yearly, right? And interest is to be decided like on NSC, National Savings Certificate, plus 0.35% rate to be paid. Whatever the interest is paid on the NSC certificates, 0.35% is going to be added on that. That is the interest rate to be paid, and it is flexible interest rate. That means after every 6 months, the interest rate is to be changed. Okay, not every day, every month. After every 6 months. Okay, biannually. Swavlamban Crisis Responsive Fund by SIDBI for the is set up by SIDBI for the MSME trade receivable discounting system platform. So free onboarding of MSME on trade receivable discounting system platform, right? Promulgation of Banking Regulation Amendment 2020. I am going to do an in-depth lecture on this. Update has been there. Amendment is there in the Banking Regulation Act. World Bank approves loan for the STARS project. STARS project strengthening teaching, learning and results for state program 3700 crore loan is approved by World Bank for this project. Okay. So that's all for today, students. Where you can download this PDF. Link is available in the description. Just click it and you'll be able to download this PDF. Direct link is there. And you can go back to bankexamstudy.com. IBPS RRB GBO course is there. You can just go there. I guess we need to go to that, just go to bankexamstudy.com. Go to IBPS RRB GBO 2020 course. This is, you can enroll a trial here. Just click for the trial here. If there is any doubt, click this, button. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, or you can directly buy the bundle here, enroll for trial. All these courses are part of that, are of that bundle, and test series is also part of the course. Okay, so that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. If there is any doubt, you can always ask your doubt. So thank you and have a very, very nice day. Bye-bye.